songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze. To laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones on its way. To sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. The sound of music, and I'll sing once more.
Good morning, Mandy. I hope you slept well. It's August the 12th, early in the morning, before 7 a.m. I'm up early, and I was just sitting here and contemplating things and thinking about you, and many things crossed my mind, and I just wanted to tell you a few things this morning about the gift of our friendship. You have been a very special friend for half a century, almost. Oh, more than. I think I met you at Chalmers Street School, grade 4, grade 5. So that was 68, 69, 58 years ago. I met Mandy Uprecht. She stole my heart. She was my first girlfriend, the first girl I kissed. The first girl I ever involved myself in a kissing contest with in the schoolyard of Chalmers Street in 69. Mandy, those were really lovely days. They were days of innocence, puppy love, lots of joy, still very happy days. And I'm just full of gratitude that I had such a beautiful friend from my childhood through my adolescence, teenagehood, and now adulthood, and senior life as well. A long, long time. And so I'm grateful to you, to God, who put us together and sealed our friendship for life. When I think about those initial years of our friendship at Chalmers Street, I think of music. Mr. Dawson, who brought his guitar to school and taught us folk songs. I had just started art school, sponsored by the city. of Galt, went to the Dune School of Fine Art, and my favorite musical was The Sound of Music, as it was for many of us. Many of us still know all the lyrics by heart. And so I thought I would create a little something nostalgic and something meaningful to me and hopefully to you in regards to our friendship, our childhood puppy love, and our lifelong friendship. Now, I don't have much of a voice anymore, lost most of my voice, and I gave away my piano to those who needed it more than me several years ago. So the best I can do is sing along with a young man I found on the internet singing this song that comes to mind when I think of you, think of us, and those beautiful, happy days that began our friendship 58 years ago. And so it goes like this. The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like the that flies on the church on a breeze, to laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones on its way, to sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. My heart will be blessed with the sound of music, and I'll